Hi, kindergartners. Today we are working on Chapter 3, Lesson 4, working on the number 7 on page 101. So let's read the directions. Count and tell how many cubes. Trace the numbers. Count and tell how many hats. Trace the word. What do you think this word reads? Yes, 7. Very good. S-E-V-N, 7. So first, let's count our yellow cubes. Mark them as you count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you trace your 7s. Start from the blue dot, straight across, and down from heaven. That makes the number 7. Straight across and down from heaven. That makes the number 7. So you're going to trace all of your 7s. Slow like a pro. When you're done tracing your 7s, then let's count your hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then trace your word 7. I'm going to let you trace that. You can pause this while you're doing that. When you're done, go to your next page and I'll meet you there. These 2 pages, they're beautiful. I love all the colors on them. Here we have a carousel. The directions read, look at the picture. Color all the sets of 7 objects. So you have to count and find 7. Count your flags. If there's 7, let's circle them. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 flags. So you will need to circle the flags. You'll have to press kind of hard with your pencil so that I'll be able to see it if you send me that picture. Count your horses. Count the group of trees. Count the group of bushes. Count the group of bushes. Circle the ones that have 7. Go ahead and pause the video while you finish that. When you're done, I'll meet you on the next page. Okay, here we are on page 103. What number is this? That's right, 7. Let's say our poem. Straight across and down from heaven. That makes the number 7. Straight across and down from heaven. That makes the number 7. Do that for all 3. Straight across, down from heaven. That makes the number 7. Straight across, down from heaven. That makes the number 7. Straight across, down from heaven. That makes the number 7. This page, you're going to count and write the numbers. I'll do the purple rabbits with you. Then I want you to do these by yourself. Take a picture of it and attach it to your Google Classroom assignment so I can see how you're forming your numbers, all right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you remember our poem? Start at the top, straight across, and down from heaven. That makes the number 7. Not all of these are 7, so make sure you count each one and mark them with your pencil as you count them. Pause my video while you finish. Meet me on the next page when you're done. Okay, boys and girls, this is our mid-chapter checkpoint. This is to see how you're doing. So you're going to use counters to model the number. I'm going to write a number here, and you're going to use counters to model it, all right? Here's the number I'm going to write. What number is that? Down and a loop, 6 rolls a hoop. Exactly. And let's put counters on. First, we fill up the 5 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then where do I put my 6? That's right, it's like we're starting a new 5 frame, so it goes in the beginning over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to take them off and make a circle for them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go, there's my 6. These you're going to count and write the number. So let's count the little pinwheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you remember the poem for 6? Start at the top, down and a loop, 6 rolls a hoop. Now when you're counting objects that are placed in a circle, it is very important to mark especially your first one so you know where you started and where you should end. So you can choose which duck to start from, but make sure you mark them as you count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, there's our new number, 7. How do I write a 7? Here's my poem. Straight across and down from heaven. That makes the number 7. Oh, it's right there on this page. Straight across and down from heaven. There we go. Down here with the whistles, circle all the sets of 7 whistles. So count the whistles, mark them as you count them. If there are 7, you circle it. When you're finished, take a picture and send me that page also. Please trace all the 7s, count, and write the numbers. Make sure you mark them as you count them. It'll help you so you don't count things twice. You can pause while you finish that page. This one reads, count and tell how many erasers. Write the number. The directions here read, how many counters would you place in the 5 frame to show the number? What number is that? Yes, around a tree and around a tree. That makes the number 3. Put in your counters and make your trace your counters. Count and write the number. And there you have it. When you're done, please attach the pages that I showed you, or some of you are attaching all your pages, which is wonderful, and send them to me. And please use a pencil when you're working in your math books. All right, have fun with math.